Welcome guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I am the card collector and today we're doing a very special video. A few months ago I opened a PWHL Professional Women's Hockey League Upper Deck box, first edition, and I got a damaged Young Gun. We got another Young Gun. There's Campbell, Tepani. Oh, very nice. Oh, not very nice. I think that is a short print. If I believe so. It was an Easter egg unannounced. It's kind of crazy looking card, but the corner, ouch, look at that corner. That is not good. Not good at all. So I'm going to contact Upper Deck about that because that probably made most of our money back from the box. These boxes at the time were $125, and I thought that was expensive for a first edition. Now we're talking $300, $400, $500, but we did get a damaged Young Gun. I am documenting my replacement return with Upper Deck. It is January 28th, 2025, and I am replacing this Young Gun. You can see on the corner, it was pulled just like this. As of January 28th, this card has been selling for around $90 to $130. This is the Easter egg. I'm excited to see what this card values at when it takes 12 to 14 weeks to get. And I can't wait to see what Upper Deck sends me. We just have to wait and see what we get. Let's see in about 12 weeks. If you've seen in that video, that is the damaged Young Gun. And as of March 4th, as of this video, we got our Upper Deck card replacement. Upper Deck said they can not guarantee what they're going to send. I said, if you have that Young Gun, please send it. Upper Deck also said they will send a card because it was about $14 to ship to them. So guys, let's get cracked right into this and let's see what Upper Deck replaced. All right, here we go. We got the piece of paper. There is a card or two in it. There's nothing else. And this package was sent on 2/18 of 2025. I do live in Canada, so shipping, I guess, did take 2 or 3 weeks with customs and everything. So let's see what Upper Deck sent as a replacement. All right, I don't want to see what they sent yet, so we'll slowly push that to the side so I'm not looking. And let's see what the letter is from Upper Deck. There's our case number, 110854. Thank you for the replacement request. The Upper Deck Company strives to produce the highest quality trading cards on the market. We apologize that the card or cards you recently purchased not meet those standards. We are, however, more than happy to replace any damaged cards. Okay. 1 year, supplies last. Thank you again for your continued support, and we look forward to assisting you in the future. All right, let's see what Upper Deck sent. I don't want to see. We'll cover it with a piece of paper. There is actually 2 cards. So let's see first. We got a portraits. Is this numbered? That'd be really cool if it's numbered. We got Jade Downey Landry. And that is a silver. I really hope that is not the biggest card they sent. If you know Upper Deck, it's a hit or miss. I'm guessing that was an extra card for the $14 I paid for shipping. They said they would toss in something. Is this card worth around $10? Maybe on eBay. Who knows? So there is the UD portraits. All right. Let's see what card they sent. Fingers crossed that we do get something good or the same card. And we did get a PWHL card, first edition. Very nice. We did get the same card and looks pretty nice. I'm not going to lie. I was thinking about sending her into grading. I know the card's selling for over $100. It's like $130, $150 around there. It is the Easter egg short print. Was not announced on the checklist. That's pretty nice. I'm not going to lie. Maybe get a 9 or a 10. I met her many years ago. We're talking 10 years ago now. When she won the Olympic gold. She had the Olympic medal. I can't remember if it was from 2010 or 2014 when we met her. But that was a heavy medal. So I'm very glad that we did get a decent replacement. This card right here for $14 I sent in. They didn't have to send me it, so I'm not mad about that. But there you go. 2 cards that I got a replacement from. I'm glad that we definitely did not get burned by Upper Deck. Definitely give this video a like. So thanks again, guys. I'm out.